Hello, y'alls. I want to show you how to make sure that you're going to print successfully with the new printers and the new codes that were programmed in for accounting purposes. So if you have a document and you want to print, you would do the normal thing that you usually do to print. You would go to File and Print or Command P. Okay, then you get this print screen and your presets we set up for you. There were some differing ones set up, and so if I set your computer up, then you have a preset called accounting. If Mark or one of the tech crew members set up your computer to print to the new printers, then it would say default settings with a 1 after it. So in this case, this print is going to print to the media center, and it's going to print with my code already attached to it. Now yesterday there were a couple teachers that said, well, I need it to secure print with my code, and so you would have to create a new preset. So in this case, I have the preset set already, but you're going to reset everything. So you would click on where it says Copies and Pages. You would go down to Xerox Features. And then where it says Job Type here, you would say Job Type. You would change that to a secure print. It's going to ask you to enter a code. So whatever 4-digit code or 12-digit code you want to use, you can set that up. And then to add the accounting also, you would type in, you would click on the paper output here, and you would go down to Advanced, and then you go all the way down to the bottom where it says Accounting, and you click on Accounting, and you keep everything checked here. If yours already says for accounting prompt, if it says do not prompt, I would leave it there unless you want it to prompt you every time to enter your code. We have it marked do not prompt, and then this number here, if you're setting this up for the first time, you will not have these little black dots here. The default user ID is your ESS number or your employee number. So it's a 3 or 4-digit number that represents you at the district, and then the second digit number you type in a 1, 2, 3, 4 in the default account ID. So again, the default user ID is you, so your user or employee number, and then your default account ID is a 1, 2, 3, 4. When you get that done, you click OK. And then everything that I've done now, I just changed my presets, so I have secure print set up and I have accounting. I have to save that preset. So I'm going to go to Save Current Settings as a preset, and I'm going to call this Accounting/Secure Print. And I'm going to make sure that I have this option on all my printers. So I'm going to make sure all printers is selected, and I'll click OK. So now, if I change the lobby or to the office or office lobby, right now it's going to default settings. That is the original settings. That's not what I want to print to. So my accounting preset just lets me know that it's going to also automatically type in my code for me, and I'm going to hit print. It's going to automatically go to the printer. But if I have something that I want securely printed, then I would change that preset to my accounting/secure print, and that means that my accounting code is in there also, but it's going to print securely, so when I go to the machine, I have to type in my number. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call or come down and I'll show you how to do this in person. Thank you.